Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will create shock absorber spring. The detailed view of the model is shown on the right. Let's start. Double click on the screen. The Welcome SolidWorks window will appear. Now choose the Part button. Now creating the helical curve as the path of the sweep feature. And to create the helical curve, first we need to create the helical curve of the spring using the helix and the spiral tool. And this tool is used to create a helical curve or a spiral curve. This curve is generally used as the sweep path to create spring, thread, spiral coil, and so on. Now, from the Features command manager, go to Curves drop down and select the helix and spiral and choose the top plane. Now, from the Sketch command manager, go to Circle drop down and select the circle button. Click on the origin and create one circle. Now go to Smart Dimension, dimension the circle and put the value 60. Now choose the OK button. Now exit from here, click here. The helix and spiral property manager is displayed. Now change the orientation of the model. From the type drop down, click here and choose the height and pitch. Click here and in the height parameter, change the value to 184. And in the pitch, put the value 19 and make sure the start angle will be 0. Put the value 0 and it should be clockwise. Now choose the OK button. Now from the Features command manager, go to Reference Geometry Flyout and select the plane button. In the first reference, click here and click on the second reference, select at this point and choose the OK button. Now click on the plane which we have created and choose the Sketch button. Now go to Circle drop down, click on Circle and create one circle over here. Choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, dimension the circle and put the value 10. Choose the OK button. Now go to Display and Delete Relations drop down. Go to Add Relation, zoom here, click on the center point of the circle and click here and give a relation Pairs. Now choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment, click here. Now click on the plane and choose the Hide button. After creating the profile and the path of the sweep feature, now we will create a sweep feature to complete the creation of a spring. From the Features command manager, select the Swept Boss Base tool. The Sweep Property Manager will display. From the Profile and Path, select the Sketch Profile. In the Profile, select here and select the circle which we have created. And in the Path, select the spiral which we have created. Now choose the OK button. Saving the model in a dedicated folder, go to Save drop down and choose the Save As button. Go to Documents and select the motorcycle project folder and name it as Shock Absorber Spring. Now choose the Save button. Thanks for watching the video.